Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So last video we saw about this policy change. It is showing out of sequence even though previous policy change effective from 9/16. To fix this issue, right? So we need to first get list of impacted F-dated entities. For this we need to go the policy change which was created automatically. So this is the one, and one of the last video I have explained how to retrieve all the F-dated entities through the query and through the GoSu query. That video I'll put it in the comment section. You guys can refer once. The same GoSu query, it is there in my studio. We need to replace the job number and copy it, run it through data change. Utilities, data change, yes, and provide unique name in the data change reference. So for this, I'll provide my job number so that it will be unique. Add new script, execute, go and come back. The last one, yes. So it was affected by three entities along with the edit effective date of the job. So UW issue, expiration date, UW issue, effective date, and period answer. These are the three which got impacted for my policy change which was created through system. For this, we need to query our database to get the public IDs for this UW issue and period answer. Okay, now let's open H2 database. I already opened it, but it is showing some error. When I did test connection, database may be already in use because my server is in start mode. For this, what I will do, I'll stop my server. Yes, it stopped. Yeah, it is stopped. Again, do test connection. It is done. Connect it. Let's query those tables. UW issue followed by period answer. For this, select star from. First, I'll go with PC underscore policy period. I'll give alias name as PP. Join PC underscore job J1 on J1 dot ID is equal to PP dot job ID. Join PC underscore UW issue UW on UW dot branch ID is equal to PP dot ID, where J1 dot job number is equal to the job which is there over here. Go here and copy it 717 and print effective date expiration date of UW issue entity. UW dot effective date comma UW dot expiration date. H2 will not give suggestion, so we need to write completely. Run it. We can see this one. It was incorrect expiration date. Here it is incorrect. We can see it is ending with some other complete timestamp. Basically, it should trim to midnight and print public ID uw dot public ID comma print edit effective date also. Due date, yeah. Run it. We can see edit effective date is impacted. We need to fix this one, and one more table is period answer. Period answer only expiration date. Go here, right, join PC underscore period answer PA on PA dot branch ID is equal to PP dot ID. Here print PA dot effective date comma PA dot expiration date comma PA dot public ID. Yes, let's run once. Yeah, we can see more over here, but do not worry by seeing all these things. What we will do, we will run query by query. Instead of that, we will run first for UW issue and then period answer. Yes, this is fine now. Run. Yeah. Now go to studio. Let's run data change script. I'll remove until here. Yeah. Now go gw dot transaction. I am opening with new bundle. With the new bundle, yeah, I'll go with SU over here because a user is required. Now add period equal to bundle dot add period. Then if this branch is already locked, so first we need to unlock the branch. Period dot to unlock branch we need to go with the set field value. So locked comma unlock it. First we need to unlock, then period dot edit effective date. Even though this set field value is deprecated, we can still utilize it. Period dot edit effective date dot trim to midnight dot add minutes 1. So this will unlock our branch. Once it is done, for locking, once we unlock it, we need to log this one. For this, let's keep one logger. Unlocked the branch and trimmed edit effective. To lock it, right, we need to run in another bundle. If you write over here, it will not work because in the same bundle we cannot lock and unlock. So here, if period dot status is equal to bound, and if it is not locked, let's lock it again. Yeah, no need of this one. Locked the branch. This is done. We are setting edit effective date, and then we need to set the same. We need to trim entities for the F dated entities. GW dot transaction again. GW dot transaction dot run with the new bundle. Let's go with SU. Yes. And then what is the entity we are referring? UW issue. So what we need to do? Query dot make. Looks like I'm going with a different query dot make. I think this query came. Let me remove from the import. Yeah. We need to go with the database API query dot income. Let's see. Yeah. Sorry. Again, wrong one. Query this one. Yeah. Dot make UW issue. Yes. Dot compare UW issue hash public ID reloop dot equals. So here public ID we need to have both, one for effective date, one for expiration date. So let's go public ID for effective date first. Yes, dot select where effective date public IDs. Then once we get effective date public IDs dot each blue issue effect date. Okay, add it to bundle dot add, and then trim this one effective date equal to dot trim to midnight add minutes 1. Same we need to do for expiration also. So for this, I just copied query, pasted here. Here I'll go with expiration ration, and then expiration public ID is 1016. I'll just change 1016. Here it should be expiration date. Expiration date. So we are done for the effective date and expiration date for UW issue. Now we need to do same for period answer. So I'll change here entity name PC underscore period answer and run it. So for period answer, all are impacted for expiration date only. So meanwhile, I'll start my server by closing. Let me copy all these things. 11072. Okay, let's go and keep over here. Yeah, and close H2 database, exit and run here. So that server will be up. Let me do the same, but here in our case only for expiration date. Copy, I just copied it, pasted here. Here it should be period answer and period answers. Here it should go with the period answer public ID. What I will do here, we do have 5, I think. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we do have. What I'll do here, where period answer expiry public IDs is equal to, let's keep all those things over here. 1107, 1108, 107, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, once it is done, we can verify 11, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. Yeah, once it is done, what we need to do, instead of compare, go with compare in. Okay, dot to typed array. Yes, now we will get all period answers, each period answer. So here also we can change period answer, period answer, period answer. When it comes to the period answer, it is only expiration date. Here we can see at the same time, here also we can see only expiration date. Let's see whether server is up or not. It is starting. Hope you guys understood. First, we need to trim edit effective date of the bound policy. Bound policy is already locked. We need to unlock it and then trim the edit effective date. Once it is done, lock the policy. And then what were the F dated entities we got? UW issue and period answer. In case of UW issue, we got both effective date as well as expiration date. Okay, sorry, I forgot to change here effective. Yeah, done. This one also. So expiration date and then period answer, we got only expiration date. So we got 6 public IDs. Instead of going each one, right, I have utilized here comparing. In these cases, we have utilized compare. I'll provide this one also in our comment section by keeping this code in the blogger so that we can utilize. Yeah, it came product model. Product model is done. Think it will be up in 1-2 minutes. Once we run this query in Scratchpad, right, we need to withdraw the open policy change which we created manually. Then we need to create a new policy change to avoid that out of sequence warning message. So to avoid this error, first we need to trim effective date in the automated policy change itself. Otherwise, this issue will come. Now it is in the preload. Let's refresh once. Not yet. This will complete in a minute. Let's wait for it. Yeah, PC is up. Refreshing it. Basically, we have H2. We can update our query through update query also. But in case of our projects, right, we will not get write access for database. That's why I'm going with the GoSu query. Even for prod also, we will not get. We need to raise guideway ticket when it comes to the cloud projects. For on-premises, it is still SQL, but cloud, it is a different completely. Let me go GoSu query. Put unique name here. So I already utilized, so I'll go with _1. Add new script, execute, go back and come back again. Okay, it is failed. You cannot change locked branch. Okay, so these all are present in the above, right? So what we will do, we will cut, we will put it here so that as soon as we unlock, right, we will get to know. We are getting error. I'm doing Control Z. Okay, let's go from here. Control X. So locked, yeah. Come here. Even outside also fine. We are unlocking here. Yes, we do have already bundle. So delete this bundle. Delete here also. Yeah. Let's do alignment. See any errors? I don't see any errors. Go here. Again go. Let's put unique. So already we have utilized 1 and 2. I'll go with sorry, I we have utilized 1. I'll go with _2. Add new script. Execute. Yes, second one is complete. Unlocked, unlocked. Go to the policy. Going there. Oh, this is the policy change. It is showing out of sequence 916. Let's withdraw it and create a new policy change effective from the 916. Yeah, next. So now it is gone. Warning message out of sequence. So this is how we need to fix an automated policy change which is causing issue. Get the impacted updated entities and get the public IDs from the database and then trim the effective dates to midnight and add 1 minute extra. Let's suppose if there is any policy change which is created before fixing our data fix, right? We need to fix that policy change as well. Then only this issue will go from here. Otherwise, that will keep on persist on the every screen. Okay, this is how we need to do it. I'll keep our gosu query, whatever we used for fixing this one, I'll keep it in the description. And to get all impacted updated entities, right, we already did one video. I'll put that video in our I button. Yeah, thank you for watching video, guys. We'll meet in the next video.